Hello, here's how are you. Hopefully, you're fine. First, mostly people are asking me that can you please make an indicator which gives you the more accurate results and you can get more accuracy by using this simple hoga for 2024 Algo V1 and so I make another indicator that will give you the more confirmation results and there are if you will go deeply in this indicator, definitely this is your money machine. Okay, so just watch the complete video, do not miss any point. Okay, why I am adding this indicator? Because here you can see the sell signal. Okay, pull signal, sell signal, buy signal, buy signal, buy signal, and here you can see the buy signal. Why I'm using this indicator and with Algo V1, because like this one here you can see the buy signal, you got the buy signal, but here this is the confirmation that do not need to go for the buy trade. Okay, let me give you an more example. Here you can see clearly showing that there is some good buy scenario, so you can go for the buy trade, book your profit, small profit, but at least book the profit, do not need to go for the sell trade. Okay, here you can see buy trade, here you can see the buy trade, and you can see accuracy is most awesome. Almost you will get the, let me show you some more detail. We have need to hide this one, and so you can understand first this indicator, and here you can see only this indicator is giving you the more than 80% accuracy. How? Let me show you. We have need to I also trade a just a very last trade. Let me show you this one. This was most awesome trade. Okay, and you can see currently in you are in some good profit, and that was amazing trade. Okay, and the buy trade, okay, it's also profitable. Okay, this sell trade is give you some good profit here, and this one sell signal and give another sell signal. There are two types of signal. So this is first type of buy and sell signal as sell, and here you will get the bull, sorry, bull. And here you can see the sell signal and it give you the profit here. Okay, and hopefully here you can see this sell signal, but you have need to watch this most recent sell signal. Let me show you results in gold. In the gold, this was the buy trade and this was your take profit. Okay, here you can see the sell signal, but it's not profitable. Okay, so it gives you that you have need to exit your trade at this point. So how we can protect our trades? That's why I am using a second indicator that will give you the protection. You can see it gives you the protection, do not need to go for the sell trade. Okay, that's why I'm adding second indicator, MA confirmation. Okay, simple hoga MA confirm. This is the indicator name, and here you can see the sell signal, got the sell signal, and it's profitable. And let's see some more trades here. Here you can see the sell signal and it's profitable, and here you can see buy trade, it's profitable. But I have need to show you one more interesting thing, a very interesting thing. Okay, uh, let me hide this indicator. This is just another confirmation, and there is one more important interesting thing. Let me show you one more interesting thing. I have need to show you one more interesting thing, a very interesting. Okay, so far no point, because you will get only, you can say, hardly few trades. Okay, of this you can say a very interesting thing, and it's loading, chart is loading. Okay, come on, because it's most important thing, and you will love it. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, come on. Okay, now I think let me show you a very interesting thing here. Okay, so far no gone. Do not get anything. So and let me check the results in some other pair, and I have need to show you some interesting thing. And that one, that is the thing that I want to show you. When any candle, when any candle cross the lower line, you will see the market is going upside. The market will definitely will go upside, and you can see the market goes upside, and you got amazing profit. That was amazing thing. Okay, and let me show you some more example. Okay, so far, but you will get hardly few head. Use this one, you check this one. Okay, here, and this one you can see. After getting this market goes down and down and down, that was amazing trade. Okay, that was you will get hardly maybe in the 1 week you will get if you are using 5 minute or 15 minute or 1 hour time frame, then hardly in 1 week you will get maybe 5 trades, 7 trades, do not know. Okay, but hardly one trade or two trades in one pair, like euro USD, you will get hardly one trade in a whole day. Okay, this type of trade. Okay, and let me, here you can see red, go for the sell trade. Yes, you got the sell trade, and market goes down. So here you can see sell trade, go for the sell trade and book your profit. Yes, I know that was small profit. Uh, this was big profit. Why I know about this one? Because there is one more interesting thing here. A very important point. Here, hide this one, slow down, and here. When you got buy or sell signal, of like here you can see it's very close to the upper band line, so it will definitely will give you some good profit. Here, sell signal is almost crossing the upper band line, and you are getting sell signal, so it will definitely will give you the profit, and you can see you got some good profit at this point. You had me to execute it. It was amazing. Okay, and here you can see it's almost very close. Okay, and you got profit. This another two sell trades, and you can see you have need to book your profit here. This was the most recent sell trade, and you had need to book your profit here. Okay, and after that you got the buy pull signal, you had need to book your profit at this point. Okay, buy signal, book your profit here. Buy signal, buy signal again, book your profit. Sell trade, and again sell trade and book your profit here. Buy trade, and book your profit here. Pull signal, go for the buy trade and book your profit here. Okay, here sell signal, again buy signal. So that is actually a very maybe few cents loss, but that is not does not matter if you are getting a few cents loss after getting so much successful trades. Okay, the sell signal and book profits, and that was amazing. Okay, and this is the trade of bull trade signal, and you can book your profit at this point. Okay, let's see the results again in some other pair like Indian market, because Indian are contacting me that can you show me the results in the bank nifty and nifty 50 or Indian market. So bank nifty, and let's see. In the bank nifty, this was the most recent sell signal. You can say you got two sell signal. This type of signal, there are two types of, I already told you you will get two type of buy and sell signal. You can see you got two types of sell signal, and you can see you got some good profit. Okay, so far did not get the profit. This was sell profit, and you unfortunately you did not get the profit. But if you will see this one, you will see here you can see the sell trade, and you have need to execute it. Actually this was uh, on, you can say, if I speak truth, then definitely this is not your profitable trade. Okay, but sell trade profitable, and after getting a lot of profitable trade, if you are getting loss in one trade, that is not a big deal. Okay, it's if you are making good profit and in one trade if you are getting loss, that is, I think, not a big deal. Okay, okay, and so far Here you can see s- buy trade. Do not go for the sell trade, just go for the buy trade and go through the buy trade. Okay, you can see it's profitable, although this sell signal is also profitable, a very small profit here you can see. Okay, but after getting buy signal you have need to exit your sell trade and go for the buy trade from this point, and you can book your profit at this point. Okay, this signal, sell signal, give you book here you this sell signal, uh, you have need to execute your trade at this point. But second type of buy signal give you that do not need to go for the sell trade after getting the buy signal. Example, here you, if you got the sell signal you can go for the sell trade, but if you got the buy signal you have need to exit your trade and need to go for the buy trade. Okay, and there are some more beauty of this indicator, like here you can see resistance level, support and resistance level. It will give you a demand and supply zone, it give you the band line, it will give you the EML line as well. Okay, so this is the all in one indicator, will give you all confirmation, and definitely you will get profit all the time. So I give you the all details. Now I at the time how you can add this indicator and how you can get this indicator. So the main point is this one, so I have need to show you. First close them and close it. Now here you will see my indicator, pine script. Here you will see these are my all pine scripts. Okay, and we have need to find this one is 2000. I'll go control A, that means copy all the code. Okay, first copy all the code. Okay, then go to the pine trading view chart, go to click on pine editor. Here will you fill control A, that means close, remove all the code, there must be no code. Okay, then paste my code. Here you will paste my code and then click on add to chart. Okay, go to the second indicator, has confirmed this one MA. This is my new indicator. So just control A, that means copy all the code, copy, then go to the again pine editor. Here you will see that is now loading and it will be added in my chart in few seconds. Okay, you will get the text file. Okay, okay, come on. Okay, now done. Now again you have need to remove all the code first, there should be no code, then paste my second indicator code and then click on add to chart. Do not click on update on chart, just click on add to chart. Okay, after clicking on add to chart the indicator will be displayed here. No changes needed, just go and make the profit. Okay, here you can see scenario is awesome and you will love it. Okay, you can see it is most awesome indicator and most profitable indicator. You will get profit all the time, and definitely I think. Okay, if you need to see the results in some other pairs like okay, let's see which pair SPX. Okay, you can see awesome, self trade, profitable, and after that you get the sell trade. But according to our scenario this is not our buy, not sell trade, this is not our sell trade. Okay, according to our scenario you have to go for the sell trade and you got the sell trade here, and you can see you got the and you got again sell trade and profitable, and so you get this is the most recent sell trade. Okay, but according to our scenario we do not need to go for this sell trade. Okay, okay, let me show you result. Either the indicators working on only 5 minutes, let me show you. The indicators are working perfectly fine on 1 minute time frame. Okay, you can see even you can use 1 hour time frame, no problem, you can easily use it. Okay, let me show you clearly working 100%. Okay, even you can use 4 hour time frame, my indicators will work perfectly fine, you can see. Okay, here is a resistance and so on. In the 4 hour time frame you will get accuracy of around 90% accuracy. Okay, if you will consider this one, then definitely you will get 90 plus percentage plus. Hopefully you will like my video, must subscribe my channel, and how you can get my indicators. These are my contact details here. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must. Okay, because there are some fake Telegram channels, and you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel, otherwise you will lose your money. Okay, my indicators are paid just in few dollars in December only. Okay, not $2, few dollars. Okay, few. And Gmail simple hoga at gmail.com. Only in December my sale is on, and getting you will get indicator in 50% discount, and after December by I'm giving discount will be off, and you will not get any discount after the December. So hopefully you will like my video, must subscribe my channel. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care.